Hi there, my name is Jennifer. This is Jennifer Esquire Creations, and I had recently gotten a request to show how to delete a model on this app. So I am going to show you. So we have a man here. Let's add a female. We're going to go to the plus mark. We're going to go to the ladies. We'll just add this girl. We're going to put her in this position. So say we have these two together, and then we decide, I don't want her after all. All you have to do is click on any part of the model, anywhere you want. You can click her face, her body, whatever you want to do. Once you do that, then I want you to direct your attention to where it says female standard down here on the lower left hand. If you follow this line, you'll see a pair of shorts, you'll see a skin color, you'll see all this stuff. At the very end, there's going to be this little figure. If you tap on that, there's going to be an option all the way down at the bottom that says delete model. We're just going to click that. It's going to ask us to confirm, and we're going to confirm. And she's gone. Now we're back to our guy. I hope that this video was helpful. If you guys have any other requests on this Easy Poser app, do me a favor and comment below. All right, I hope you guys have a good day. Take care.